Hello guys, this video is a step-by-step installation of Windows 10 operating system.
At first, go to the BIOS by pressing F2 or delete based on the motherboard manufacturer. You have to enter the BIOS option, and in that you have to configure the boot option, that is the boot order, you can say the priority first boot order, and ensure that it is CD-ROM selected as a first drive. If not, you have to change and make it a first boot order. Commit, save and exit, and restart.
Press any key to boot from CD. Here, better to select based on your region. So I will select India. In my case, you have to accept the license terms without any choice. Next, as it is a fresh install, I will go with the custom. Based on your hard drive, your laptop or desktop is having 500 GB, then you can give C drive to 60 to 100 GB, and remaining partition can be created as per your needs. As of now, for my lab, I will create a 40 GB complete. These are the partition which has been created at the time of creating a partition. I would be installing it on this particular drive. One more important thing to mention over here, if you are reformatting your laptop or desktop at the time of creating a partition or installing it on the C drive, make sure that you have selected a proper C drive and not deleting or doing any changes in the other partitions like D drive, E drive. So ensure that you are selecting a C drive. You can format from here, then just select next. Now the copy of the Windows file has been completed. Now it is getting ready for the installation. So it will take some time. I will fast forward this. So now the installation has been completed. It will get restart in 10 seconds, or else we can directly restart from here. So it is now getting rebooted. It will do a basic configuration now. It will take some time based on your hard drive, whether it is SSD or the lower version. So now based on your requirement, you can customize over here whether any notifications to be sent to Microsoft or not. For example, Skype, location. That is basically to improve the location surveys and much more. So you can use express setting here. So now here we can create an account. Next. Again, it will take some time. So now the installation has been completed. You can see the screen of Windows 10. So first up, you have to change the host name. You can change the host name from the system properties. So it is very advisable. First you have to change the computer name, then restart it. Once it is rebooted, then you add to a domain. I have seen many people doing the changes of computer name and domain at the same time. Always go step by step. So I will restart after the changes of host name. I will log in here. In the newer version of the operating system, you find that the administrator account is disabled by default. You can type this command and go to look. Here it is. So here the guest account is disabled, the administrator account is also disabled, so you can make sure that it is enabled for your administration purpose. Enable it from here, and of course set the password. So that's it from me for the installation of Windows 10. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.